Welcome to another episode of Tech Talk Unplugged, where we dive into the latest innovations and tools that make our digital lives a little smoother. I'm your host, and today we're exploring something really exciting, the Chatbox Community Edition. Imagine having your ultimate AI copilot right on your desktop. Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? Well, that's exactly what Chatbox aims to provide. It's an open-source desktop client that integrates with powerful language models like GPT, Claude, and more, ensuring that you have a versatile tool at your fingertips no matter what you're working on. So, let's dig into what makes Chatbox stand out. First off, privacy seems to be a huge priority with features like local data storage. This means all your information stays on your device, not floating around in the cloud, and that's something many users are increasingly concerned about these days, right? We want to keep our data safe. Next up, have you ever been overwhelmed by complex software installations? Well, Chatbox has simplified that with no deployment installation packages. You just download it and boom, you're ready to go. That kind of accessibility can really make tech feel less daunting, especially for those who aren't exactly code wizards. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. One of the coolest aspects of Chatbox is its support for multiple LLM providers. You can seamlessly switch between OpenAI, Azure, Claude, Google, and even local models, which allows for incredible flexibility in how you want to use AI. Just think about the possibilities, whether you're brainstorming ideas or coding, the ability to choose the best tool for the job is a game changer. I also love the thought put into things like keyboard shortcuts and an ergonomic UI design. Designing tools that respect our time and comfort really hits home for me. Have you ever found yourself frustrated while trying to juggle between multiple applications? It can feel chaotic sometimes. And how about creativity? Chatbox lets you generate images using DALL-E 3, turning your text prompts into visuals. Imagine you're working on a project and need a quick illustration. This feature could save you so much time. Now, I want to touch on something that often gets overlooked: community involvement. The creator of Chatbox initially built it as a personal tool for debugging prompts, and then realized others might benefit from it. That's such a relatable origin story. It reflects that collaboration between creators and users is vital in tech development. As we wrap up today's episode, think about this. With tools like Chatbox, we're not just users. We're part of a community that leverages the power of AI to enhance our work and creativity. So what are your thoughts on AI tools that prioritize user privacy and accessibility? I'd love to hear your opinions on whether you feel empowered or overwhelmed by these advancements. Thank you for tuning in to Tech Talk Unplugged. Don't forget to check back next week for another fascinating exploration into technology.